Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to update the Zoom app. So first, open the Zoom app. Sign in or sign up if it asks you to do so. So click on your profile picture. And then click on Check for Updates. It tells you that there's an update available. It shows you which version you have and the version that you are updating to. It might take a couple of minutes. After it's done, click on Update. And then it will open the Zoom app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.